DJI appears to be preparing for a major announcement, and it's not just a small update, this could be a major leap forward. A recent teaser from filmmaker Mauro Tendoi has given us a glimpse at what may be the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. The teaser, though short, hints at something substantial. If what's shown turns out to be real, this could completely change what we expect from ultra-lightweight drones. Rather than just being an incremental update, this drone is shaping up to be a full generational upgrade. The design seems to have been overhauled, with a new frame and significant internal improvements. In the teaser, we briefly see a mountain bike beside the drone, giving us a few visual clues: sleeker lines, larger motors with visible vents, and the classic foldable design DJI is known for. Notably absent are propeller guards, hinting at better aerodynamics. The big news: the DJI Mini 5 Pro's release has been officially reported. Drone insider Jasper Ullens via Dronixel confirmed that the drone is set to launch on August 7, 2025, earlier than previously expected. One of the standout upgrades comes in the form of a new battery. A leak from FCC documentation revealed a 4,680 mAh, 33.5 Wh battery, marking a big improvement over previous Mini models. This could push flight times to around 50 to 55 minutes depending on conditions, an impressive achievement for a drone weighing under 250 grams. The camera might be getting a serious upgrade as well. There are strong rumors of a 1-inch sensor, a feature never before seen in a sub-to-5 OG drone. This would dramatically improve image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The gimbal also appears larger and more open, possibly allowing for full 360-degree rotation, a creative tool for dynamic and cinematic shots. On the sensing side, DJI may include a front-facing long-range sensor with enhanced 3D infrared capabilities. Early information suggests it can detect objects up to 25 meters away with a wide 60-degree field of view. The drone's body seems to include larger sensor housings, likely to support this upgraded navigation tech. Internally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to come with new motors featuring built-in cooling, helpful for performance in wind and possibly allowing it to carry slightly heavier loads. Another long-awaited improvement: quick-release propellers, eliminating the need for small screws. Internal storage might be upgraded too, with 32 gigabytes of onboard memory expected, handy if you forget your SD card. DJI's NOAA for video transmission system will also be included, offering up to 20 kilometers of range. It'll be compatible with their RC2 and RCN3 controllers, DJI's motion controller, and even Goggles 3 for immersive FPV-style flying. Other rumored features include voice control and a special button to trigger cinematic shots with minimal setup. Pricing is expected to start around $850 for a standard kit with the RC2 controller and one battery. A Fly More combo including the RC2 smart controller, extra batteries, and accessories might come in around $1,200. That places it squarely between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S, appealing to both hobbyists and semi-professional users. If DJI really delivers on all these features, like a 1-inch sensor, extended flight time, 360-degree gimbal, and pro-level object detection, the Mini 5 Pro could easily be the most advanced drone in its class to date. Also making headlines is DJI's upcoming Osmo 360 camera. Thanks to a recent product listing leak, we now know it features dual 1-inch sensors and industry first in this size category. This setup drastically improves low-light performance and image quality, with both lenses paired with f1.9 apertures. Its robust design helps with cooling, letting it handle high-res recording without overheating. The Osmo 360 supports 10-bit color depth and D-Log-M, offering creators flexibility in post-production and improved dynamic range. DJI claims it can record 8K 360 video, a big jump from the more common 5.7K. It also offers 4000 at 120 fps and 5000 at 60 fps in single lens mode, while 360 video modes go up to 6000 at 60 fps or 4000 at 100 fps. The standard battery supports up to 100 minutes of 8000 recording, and with the optional battery extension, that jumps to 180 minutes. The Osmo 360 includes a magnetic quick-release system, standard tripod thread, and supports magnetic charging, making it easy to switch accessories and setups quickly. It also integrates with DJI's ecosystem. You can start recording with gestures or voice commands even when wearing gloves. The new Osmo audio system allows you to connect to DJI Mini transmitters simultaneously, with backup audio captured via internal microphones. For action sports fans, the Osmo 360 can overlay performance data like speed or heart rate directly onto footage by syncing with Apple Watch, Garmin, or Fitbit devices. Horizon Steady 360 ensures your footage remains smooth and level, no matter how much movement is involved. The Osmo 360 isn't just another 360 camera. It's built with professionals in mind and packed with features designed to enhance storytelling, action filming, and creative content capture. Which feature are you most excited to try out first?